second box there. Stop knocking my camera. I'm hoping, speaking of Eachines, I'm really hoping that this is the Eachine E32. If it's not the Eachine E32, we're in trouble. Let me tell you, this Banggood stuff is yeah, certainly packed really well. Yeah, really well. It says Eachine E32HW. This is what I've been after. Very good. Banggood, guys. Terrific. Took about a week to get here. I'm still waiting on something from stinking Queensland to get here. That's bloody good, that is, let me tell you. Alright. Pretty decent sized box. So this is the Eachine E32HW. 6-axis gyro quadcopter. Headless mode, 1 key return, 2.4 gig. 3D flips. Searchlight. Oh, I didn't know I had that. Awesome. 3.7 volt, 650 milliamp hour battery. So let's get inside here. Let's check this baby out. Don't laugh, I'm trying to get in there. Empty box. Okay, that's a pretty decent manual in there. Look at that. It's a very decent manual, and it's in all languages, so that's cool. Okay, looks like a fairly well packaged product. If I could just stop there for 2 seconds. This one, the E32HW Australian, about 90 bucks from Banggood. So, stats on this: 2.4 gig, as I said, 6 channel, 6-axis gyro. It says in the descriptions 550 milliamp hour battery, but it says on here it's a 650, so we shall see. 80 minutes charge time for the batteries, 8-minute flight time, 50 to 80 meters distance for the RC. We'll test that. 720p camera and all the usual bits and bobby thingies. So, where is it? I think I'm upside down. I don't really know. Okay. Presenting the E32HW. There's a little battery floating around. Oh, I suspect this has been inspected by customs. It looks like it's been tampered with, doesn't it? Has that tampered look. So we have some spare props. If anybody's seen me fly, these will come in very handy. Some prop guards, equally as handy. Can't remember how many batteries I got with this unit, but there's one. Sweet. One battery. Your precision screwdriver and charging USB adapter thingy-majiggy, and the quad itself. It's a pretty nifty looking thing. What is that? That's not a camera, you silly person. It's a silly mount for the phone. Okay, so the remote control this unit. I thought that was a camera because I'm actually getting a camera with the with an MX train that I'm waiting for as well. It looks pretty cool. Pretty light though. We'll have to see how we go for durability. Got some buttons here which I have no idea what they do yet. I'll let you know later. I would assume it takes AA batteries, or AAA. I think I better let you guys know what it takes, in case you're wondering what it takes. takes AA's. Awesome. AA batteries. On off, little lanyard clip. Tracking, trim, etc, etc. Imagine that's a light there that comes on. Cool. So, drone itself, some little blues and reds for the fronts and rear. Nice little rubber feet there. It's quite a light drone. I can't tell you what it weighs, but let me tell you, she's pretty light. Strength and durability, time will tell. This one's got the fixed camera. Let's open the back here. This is where we... Oh, hello. We have two plugs here. Very good. So, let's hook up a battery and see if there's some power and see what lights up here, shall we? Okay, so that just slots in there by the look of it and closes up. Yeah, not too bad. And there we have it. The Eachine E32HW. Looks like a pretty zippy, nimble looking drone, so she'll put this one to the test shortly as well. No on-off switch, SD card, recordable here to the device, to the drone, and of course if there's no SD card in it will record straight to the mobile device that you're controlling it with. Let's just take this out of here, pull this off of here. I will charge these batteries up before I fly the quad, so they're fully charged. So 2 batteries, which is always good. Just see if we can put this mobile holder on quickly and easily for you guys now. Yeah, look, I think that's going to be okay. I certainly wouldn't shake that around too much, but you can adjust it, so that's pretty cool actually. Alright, well, there you go guys. Quick unboxing of the E32HW. Very good, hope you've enjoyed this unboxing guys. I look forward to flying these shortly and giving them a bit of a thrashing, a testing and seeing how they perform. Alright, let's charge those batteries up and get cracking. Thanks for watching, thumbs up, and chat to you guys real soon. Take it easy, and bye for now.